I have been absolutely spoiled for Christmas and my birthday, and I hope you were too. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute. Life kind of got in the way. I'm so sorry about that. Also, if you could see the state of my desk right now, oh boy, I think you guys would probably, yeah, you would call law enforcement on me, because it looks like a crime scene in here. There's just so much stuff all over the place. So, yeah. Anyway, today I wanted to do a little Christmas / birthday haul. My birthday is December 27th, which really sucks, but this year was pretty good. I actually bought myself some stuff. Well, I had my boys pick it out on Amazon, and then I paid for it. So it was their Christmas presents to me. And I think they actually did a pretty good job. I gave them a little cheeky list, and they went to town and bought me some stuff. And then also some of this is from my housemates, including probably what I'm most excited about. But I am very excited about all of this stuff. So we're just going to dive right in real quick. I'm very, very, very pleased. So one of my children, I'm not sure which one, I'm not sure whether it was Christmas or birthday, got me these thermochromatic powders from Resin. I don't know if you guys have seen these. I'm sure you have. They've been out for forever. It comes with these tiny little spoons. And then it is powders that change color with heat or cold. I'm not sure, but definitely with heat. And so you get 5 colors in there. And so I'm excited to see how these work in resin. I'm not sure if they will work in resin. But yeah, I assume they will. They're from Resin. I mean, resin is in the name, but we'll give those a try. And then one of them got me this mold set, which I'm actually really excited about for this December coming up in 12 months. It is, I think it's 6. Or is it 12? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. It's 8 of these ornament molds. So yeah, they're just plain blank ornament molds. But I want to try like inlays and stuff for Christmas for next year. I didn't get a lot of Christmas videos out this year for reasons. But I'm really excited to see how those work out for me. And the thing is, like, they don't have to be Christmas ornaments, right? You could make them into name tags if you want. Okay. My housemate got me this for Christmas. It is the Estoyo Cordless Resin Mixer Pro. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's see what's inside. They were away on vacation during Christmas and my birthday. But they still made me wait until Christmas and my birthday to open presents. Oh, wow. Okay. So, let's see. You get the little... I almost called it a drill. Okay, so it definitely needs to be charged. It's really pretty color, though. Okay. And then in here, I assume, is the mixers. Yes. And you get, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 mixers. And they're all different sizes. Okay. That's kind of cool. So you can see this one's like huge. And we have that one. And then, okay, so those two are the same. And then I think this one is also a huge one. So I plan to do a video where I look at all 3 of the different powered mixers that I have now. Now that I have 2 extras, one from Dart Frogs and one from my housemate. I want to check them all out and test them all out for you guys in a video. I think that would be kind of fun. Yeah, okay. So, let me move that to the side. And then one of my lovely children, again, not sure which one, got me this mold set, which has been on my wish list for ages and ages now. This is a candle holder set, but it's a candle stand set. So it comes with the feet and a top. So it comes with two of these molds that fit together, and then a top. So once you put them together, you can set your candle on top. And so this one has snakes, which I hate snakes, but we're gonna pour it anyway. But this one is really cool. It's got crystals and like moon phases and stuff. So, and it's huge. This is a heck of a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Yeah, this is huge. So I'm really, really, really excited to try these out. And then one of my other children, the other child, got me, this is a mystery resin mold pack from Amazon. I'm going to do a separate video, quick video, that's going to probably go up tomorrow, you know, because I'm trying to catch you guys up on everything since I've been away for so long. That's going through all of this stuff in this mystery box, the price of it, and if it is worth it. So, I can, spoiler alert, it's definitely worth it. So, I'm going to save opening all of this stuff in this bag for the next video. So, definitely stay tuned for that. But you can kind of see some of the stuff that's already in there, like a cheeky little leaf. So, anyway, all of that is to say, I cannot believe what my housemate has done. This is the same housemate who spoils me rotten all the time with new molds, who has encouraged this wonderful hobby of mine. She has gotten me, for my birthday, a Resiners airless machine. Can I back you up anymore? There we go. I guess I kind of can. The Resiners airless. She absolutely spoiled me so rotten. Maybe I'll insert the video of me reacting to me opening it here. I'm so excited. This is what I think it is. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Laura! Oh, I'm so excited! It's a bubble removal machine. So I can put my resin in there to get the bubbles out before I pour it. Oh, you're the best! Thank you so freaking much. I love that. Oh my God. I mean, can you blame me for being so excited about this? I've been wanting a way to remove the bubbles out of my resin for a very long time, but we all know that not only is this a very expensive hobby, but the most expensive part of this hobby is the machinery that you need to invest in if you want to get bubble-free, perfect resin pieces. So, I am extremely excited to try this out. I'm going to be filming a video of me trying it, and kind of testing it against my current methods of just mixing it and pouring it in and adding, you know, the heat to pop bubbles and alcohol and that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. That will be coming up next week as well. I will probably be posting pretty rapidly here for the first little while. Just some smaller videos because I'm planning to take you guys through me cleaning up this atrocious crafting area that I have. I've got to, because mentally I cannot handle all of this mess. It kind of drives me to stay away from this area. So if I want to continue doing what I love, I have got to clean this place up. So anyway, that is what I got for Christmas and my birthday. And not to mention, I count everything that Dart Frog sent me as Christmas and birthday for the next 20 years. So, yes, I have been absolutely spoiled rotten this year. I hope that you guys have been spoiled rotten too. What was the best thing that you got for Christmas this year? Even if it's not to do with resin, did you get something really freaking awesome that you want to shout from the rooftops that you're so happy that you got? Please let me know. Comment down below. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please stay tuned. I have a lot coming up. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.